Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet effective way to customize the toolbar on your Google Chrome browser. Whether you want to declutter your workspace or make your favorite tools more accessible, customizing your toolbar can enhance your browsing experience. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. This is the gateway to all the customization options we'll explore today. Next, look towards the top right corner of the browser. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, scroll down and select Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where you can adjust various features of your Chrome browser. Once you're in the settings, look for the option labeled Toolbar. You might need to enter Toolbar Shortcut in the search bar at the top of the Settings page to find it quickly. This section allows you to manage which icons appear on your toolbar. Now that you're in the toolbar customization area, it's time to make your changes. You can add or remove icons by toggling them on or off. If you want to rearrange the icons, simply click and drag them into your desired order. This flexibility means you can prioritize the tools you use most often, making your browsing more efficient. After you've made all your adjustments, be sure to save your changes. This will ensure that your new toolbar setup is ready for use every time you open Chrome. And there you have it. Customizing your Chrome toolbar is a straightforward process that can greatly improve how you interact with your browser. Enjoy a more personalized browsing experience by taking just a few minutes to tailor it to your needs. Happy browsing!